Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain DOLLARWISE app review to see with what you're using. So in this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth app review about DOLLARWISE. So let's get started with the in-app review. DOLLARWISE is a budgeting app designed to help users track expenses, set financial goals, and manage multiple accounts in one place. It offers clean, visual, user-friendly budget tracking tools and user-like manual entry, bills tracking, and financial education resources. The app is especially popular with followers of financial YouTuber celeb hammers who help relaunch the tools to promote smarter money habit. For those who want to gain control over spending without feeling overwhelmed, DOLLARWISE provide a practical and a straightforward interface. However, the app has been criticized for technical bugs, frequent synchronization issue, and delayed customer support. The premium pricing is also considered steep by many users, especially given these ongoing issues. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform from me. The app is simply worth it for beginners who prefer manual budgeting and simple design, but skip it if you want a flawless syncing or responsive support, especially from the customer support. And that's it.